Have you ever looked up and spotted a buzzing machine zipping through the sky, almost like a futuristic bird? That's a drone, an amazing flying robot that you can control right from the ground, using just a remote or even your smartphone. Drones can soar high above forests, rivers, city skylines, and even volcanoes, capturing breathtaking views and images that would otherwise be impossible for us to see firsthand. They're revolutionizing industries, helping farmers monitor crops, assisting firefighters in emergencies, delivering vital medicine to remote places, and even filming spectacular scenes for movies and documentaries. Learning about drones opens up a whole new world of science, technology, engineering, and creativity, inviting you to experiment and innovate. The book, Drone Development from Concept to Flight, by Sumit Sharma, is your ultimate guide, making it easy to understand how drones work and how you can build your very own. It takes complex ideas and breaks them down into simple, easy-to-follow steps, making it perfect for beginners and anyone curious about drones. Imagine the thrill of designing, assembling, and flying your own custom drone, turning your imagination and ideas into a real flying machine. In this video, we'll dive into how drones fly, what's inside them, how you can build one from scratch, and the incredible things they're capable of doing in our world. Are you ready to discover the future of flight and unlock your creativity? Let's take off together and explore the amazing world of drones. How do drones stay in the air? It might seem like magic, but it's really a clever use of science and engineering. It's all about physics and four spinning propellers working together in perfect harmony. Each propeller is carefully positioned and powered to create lift and stability. These propellers push air downwards, which in turn lifts the drone up, thanks to Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. That's how drones defy gravity and rise into the sky. Drones move by tilting in different directions. This is called roll, pitch, and yaw. Roll means moving side to side. Pitch is tilting forward and back. And yaw is turning left or right, just like a helicopter. To roll, the propellers on one side spin faster while the others slow down, causing the drone to tilt and glide smoothly to the side. Pitching forward or back works the same way. By changing which propellers spin faster, the drone can zoom ahead, slow down, or even fly backward with impressive agility. Yaw lets the drone spin in place, rotating smoothly by adjusting the speed of diagonal propellers. This allows for sharp turns and precise orientation. At the heart of it all is the flight controller, like a tiny, super-fast brain. It makes hundreds of tiny adjustments every second, constantly balancing the drone and responding to your commands. By combining roll, pitch, and yaw, drones can move in any direction, perform flips, and even fly in complex patterns. It's like a graceful dance in the sky, choreographed by technology. All of this is precise, fast, and completely under your control with just a few movements of a remote or even a smartphone. That's the magic behind every drone flight, the perfect blend of science, engineering, and a touch of wonder. Next, let's take a closer look inside these amazing flying machines to see what makes them tick. Let's peek inside a drone and discover what makes these flying machines tick. Drones may look simple from the outside, but inside, they're packed with fascinating technology and clever engineering. The motors and propellers are its muscles, spinning at incredible speeds to lift the drone and keep it airborne. Without them, flight would be impossible. BLDC motors, short for brushless DC, are both powerful and efficient, making them perfect for drones. The shape and size of the propellers also play a huge role, deciding how fast the drone can go and how much weight it can carry. The LiPo battery is like the heart of the drone, providing lightweight, high-energy power that keeps everything running. These batteries are specially designed to deliver lots of energy without adding much weight. ESCs, or electronic speed controllers, act as translators between the flight controller and the motors, telling each motor exactly how fast to spin for precise movement and control. At the center is the flight controller, the drone's brain. It constantly processes data and makes split-second adjustments to keep the drone flying smoothly and stably, even in windy conditions. Sensors like accelerometers and gyroscopes help the drone know its position, orientation, and movement, allowing it to stay balanced and react quickly to changes. Barometers measure altitude, while GPS modules can pinpoint the drone's exact location anywhere on Earth, making navigation and safe flying possible. All these parts work together in perfect harmony, transforming a pile of electronic components into a flying marvel that can soar, hover, and explore the skies. Building a drone starts with a plan. What do you want it to do? Choose a frame, motors, propellers, ESCs, and a battery that fit your mission. Assemble the parts, mount motors, attach ESCs, and connect everything with careful wiring. The flight controller sits at the center, ready to be programmed. Connect it to your computer, calibrate sensors, and set up your remote control. Test each motor on the ground, then try a short hover in a safe area. Careful setup ensures your drone is safe and responsive. Designing, building, and testing is how you turn an idea into a real flying machine. 10. A drone's software is its mind, handling flight and navigation. Open-source platforms like Ardupilot and PX4 let you customize and upgrade your drone. Ground control stations, like missionplanner, help you plan routes and monitor flights from your device. Drones are revolutionizing agriculture, mapping, inspections, and more, making work safer and smarter. Safety is key. Always fly in open areas, follow local rules, and keep your drone in sight. Start slow, practice, and learn from mistakes. Building and flying drones teaches science, engineering, and creativity. The sky's the limit. Get curious and start exploring. Thank you for watching.